Mastering indirect requests and offers. I could use some help. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very important aspect of conversational English: making indirect requests and offers. More specifically, we'll delve into how to use the phrase, "I could use some help." This phrase is a soft, polite way to ask for assistance, which is often preferred in social and professional settings. So, let's get started. The phrase, "I could use some help," is a polite and indirect way to ask for help. Instead of directly saying, "I need your help," you're expressing that your current situation would be improved with some assistance. This allows the other person to offer help more comfortably, creating a positive interaction. Consider this example. Imagine you are struggling with carrying heavy boxes and a friend is nearby. Instead of saying, "Carry these boxes for me," you could say, "I could use some help with these boxes." Now, let's get into the real fun part, role-playing scenarios. We'll act out different situations where we can effectively use the phrase, "I could use some help." Let's get into character. 1. Workplace scenario. You're working on a challenging project, and your colleague is free. You say, "Hey, I could use some help with this project. Could you spare some time?" 2. Home scenario. Your hands are full while cooking dinner, and your roommate walks into the kitchen. You say, "I could use some help in here. Could you chop these vegetables?" 3. Academic scenario. You're struggling to understand a complex topic in physics, and you're studying in the library with a friend who's good at it. You say, "I could use some help with this topic. Could you explain it to me?" 4. Social scenario. You're at a party and you see someone standing alone. You could use this phrase to request their company, such as, "I could use some company. Would you like to chat?" Try to create your own scenarios using this phrase. It will help cement your understanding and usage of, "I could use some help." While using the phrase, "I could use some help," it's important to remember that tone and body language play crucial roles in conveying your message. You should maintain a friendly and approachable demeanor, which will make others more willing to assist you. Furthermore, the phrase is best used in a casual or semi-formal context. For very formal situations, it might be more appropriate to use other, more formal language to request help. That's it for today, everyone. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how to use the phrase, "I could use some help," in conversational English. Practice using this phrase in your daily life to improve your English skills and enhance your interactions. Remember, English isn't just about grammar and vocabulary. It's about how you use language to connect with others. See you in our next video, and as always, keep practicing.